This is job number DA0422. This is press B, the second press of a package with two 530-ton presses. Press has new controls, new hydraulics, new guarding. We'll go through a cure cycle here, a 90-second cure cycle. Then we'll do a second cycle showing the light curtains. Go ahead. Press will close, go to full tonnage. Cure timer, again, set for 90 seconds. Once it times out, the light on top will start blinking. The operator has to hit the open button to complete the cycle.
Sorry about walking into your jack there. Don't be. Yeah, start those 3,000 filters right in front of your garage box. Right?
All right, the light's blinking now. You hit the open button. Okay, now we'll go up and show that the light curtain works in both directions. Go ahead. Break the light curtain, press stops, you get a button or on the screen it tells you it's broken, you reset it, and then you have to hit the button again. Now we'll show it when it's going down, when it's opening. Okay, that completes press B.